Good morning, welcome back to another Designer's Den. Doug and I are here and we decided to go remote and bring you in an actual kitchen to talk about today's video.
Yeah, I think the concept today we're talking about Barstools, and it's really important to actually be in a real life kitchen for you so you can you're probably dealing with some situation like this.
Yep, absolutely. So one of the things I think our customers run into when they are looking for a bar stool is that they may not know the height that they need.
Right. The actual term we were talking about, bar stool, is a misnomer, really and truly, because a lot of times what you're really wanting is a counter stool. So let's talk a little bit about the difference between bar height and counter height.
Okay.
Do you know what yours is? That's a good question. And use one of these before you leave the house.
Yeah, absolutely. Measure is such a key element before buying furniture, no matter what you're doing. So if you are looking for a counter height stool, that means your counters are 36 inches in height.
Yeah, 36. And this is actually a counter height stool, and next to it is a bar height stool. This is our vintage black Durahite upholstery bar stool.
I love the style of these stools because they're super simple. They can go with so many different looks. I really like the contrast stitching with the orange. But since I'm here, this is a bar height stool with a counter height, and it's just...
Yeah, it's not comfortable, is it?
No.
Yeah.
So anybody who's bigger than me, their legs are definitely going to hit the underside of this counter.
Yeah, I can sit here very comfortably. I can sit, the island today is a really versatile piece, right? Because you're either working at it, you're eating at it, the kids are doing homework, so many different things. So I want to be comfortable. I've got plenty of space for my legs right here.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay. Let's shift these out of the way and show everyone a little different look. Again, the same concept though. This is bar height, this is counter height. So your seat heights may vary slightly here, but your counter is the 36, your bar height is actually 42, and typically dining height is 30, kind of just to give you a range.
And even just, right, so the height of this stool is 30 to accommodate a bar height of 42.
Yeah, about a foot is what you need.
Yep.
And even though this tucks under here, you can see that this is the much better solution for you.
Right, even aesthetically, like looking at this, this doesn't look comfortable.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't look inviting, like I want to sit here and do any sort of function at the kitchen island.
Absolutely. Well, this is a really important topic, I think, and I'm glad we're talking about it. So when you go shopping, when you're looking for it, think about those things, do a little measuring before you go, and make sure you try it so you're armed with information before you go into shopping at an AFW.
I'm really glad that we got to demonstrate this remote in a kitchen because we really want to get this concept across and be really clear on what you need when you are shopping for bar stools or counter stools.
Yeah, we have a great selection here at AFW. Check out afw.com for our full selection. And thanks and have a great day.
We'll see you next week.